check this out. Click, click. I got a new automatic gate opener. Isn't that a neat trick? Hey guys, it's Rhett and Anna from the 100 Acre Wood Highlands. The snow decided to come down today and the farm chores didn't stop. So we're filling up buckets of water, taking them back and forth to the cows every few times. We've got to go check on the big pond to make sure it's not frozen so that the other cows can have a way to access some food. Had some problems with the tractor, so we'll show you that. And just make sure they have enough food. So if this is your first time finding us, please subscribe to our channel. You can find us on Facebook and Instagram by searching 100 Acre Wood Highlands. Let's check it out. Hey, buddy. Here, cows! Here, cows! Come on! I gotta make sure they can get a drink. Here, cows! Here! Come on! Here, cows! So this is a gentle slope down to the water, and there is some ice down by it, so I'm going to use the sledgehammer to make sure they can get to it and get a drink. Come on, cows! Come on, cows! Here they come through the woods. Come on, cows! Come on! Come on! Come here! Come here! Bear. So fortunately, the pond on this side is still not completely frozen. It's kind of like a slush, and cows can still get down here and get a drink. I put out several bales of hay, but the tire came off of my tractor yesterday, so I can't put out any more. They're looking good. I gave them protein cubes a few hours ago and they still have hay. So now we'll go check on the heifers and the bull calves one more time and probably call it a day and do it all again tomorrow. All right, so yesterday I went to put out a couple of extra hay bales, and I guess because the temperatures were low, my front tire of my tractor popped off. And so I have 3 hay bales out right now, 2 in this field for the bigger cows and 1 in the other field for the younger cows. But I don't think I'm gonna be getting any more. Let me show you the tractor here. Bear, this tire off like this is not gonna work. It's just not gonna work for putting out hay. What a bummer. Gotta get some water for the cows. We're having to go out every few hours to put more water out, and it's just snowing more and more and getting colder and colder. Nice ski goggles.
Thank you.
My nose is cold.
Why didn't you cover your face up?
I'm fine. Check out my automatic gate opener. You guys got to get you a girl who on Valentine's Day will help you feed the cows. Thanks, babe. Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day. Making me work. Woo.
Are you thirsty, cows? Hey, y'all want some water? I want some water? Thirsty? Pretty darn chilly, and I guess gonna keep on snowing the rest of the day, and maybe some tomorrow, and then another storm on Tuesday night. So not letting up anytime soon. Get back. I'm definitely glad we have long-haired cows right now, because if not, they might be freezing. So guys, thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel. You can find us on Facebook and Instagram by searching 100 Acre Highlands. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.